This is Four Strong Winds by Ian Tyson. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one last time, but we've been through that 100 times or more. Think I'll go out to Alberta, weather's good there in the fall. I got some friends that I can go working for. But it would be winter, nothing much for you to do, and those winds sure plumb blow cold way out there. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. Our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies, the things are going good, you could meet me if I sent you down the fair.